Elevate your firearm maintenance with our precision design cleaning kit. Crafted for efficiency and durability, this essential tool ensures peak performance, keeping your equipment in top condition. Upgrade your cleaning routine today. There are many products available to choose cleaning kit, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cleaning kit from reputable brands. After much study, I discovered these products are a lot helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bucity Universal Handgun Cleaning Kit. Introducing our zippered compact padded case, a meticulous solution to firearm maintenance that combines functionality and organization. Measuring at a convenient 6.5 x 3.6, this high-performance zippered pouch bag effortlessly holds a comprehensive 16-piece handgun gun maintenance system. Unveiling an arsenal of cleaning tools, including .22 California, .357 California, .38 California 9mm, .40 California, and .45 California phosphor bronze bore brushes and brass jags, along with large and small bronze slotted tips, a nylon brush, and a metal gun cleaning pick. The heart of this kit is the quality 10.5 handgun cleaning rod, a two-piece brass construction that threads seamlessly to create a robust 10.5 rod. Tackling stubborn areas on your firearm is made easy with the stainless steel cleaning pick, ensuring a thorough cleaning experience. Our commitment to durability is reflected in the lifetime guarantee accompanying the cleaning rod, jag, and slotted tips, all meticulously crafted from sturdy bronze brass. Please note, this comprehensive gun cleaning kit does not include solvents or oils, and it is worth mentioning that the .357 and 9mm components are essentially identical in size. Embrace the confidence of a well-maintained firearm with our zippered compact padded case where organization meets reliability, backed by our lifetime and money-back guarantee. Number 2. Uni Gun Cleaning Kit. Experience the pinnacle of firearm maintenance with our Universal Gun Cleaning Kit, a comprehensive arsenal designed for rifles, shotguns, and handguns alike. This all-encompassing cleaning supplies kit ensures a thorough job, catering to beginners with a detailed user guide and captivating professionals, hunters, and gun enthusiasts alike. Crafted for versatility, our kit includes a large cleaning mat to accommodate additional accessories, accompanied by 3 utility brushes, stainless steel, phosphor bronze, and nylon, adept at handling various surfaces. The premium gun accessories feature 6 solid brass gun rods, 12 spear-pointed gun jags, 9 mops, 14 bronze brushes, 3 muzzle guards, 3 utility brushes, 4 slotted patch loops, 1 black power jag, 3 accessory adapters, 4 polishing cloths, 100 cleaning patches, and 2 empty oil bottles. Organize with ease using the portable storage case, custom molded to house every tool securely. Prevent the risk of misplacing components post-cleaning, and carry the kit effortlessly with oil and cleaner bottles conveniently sized for pocket storage. With our Las Vegas warehouse housing a full range of accessories, rest assured that any issue during the cleaning process will be promptly addressed through Amazon messages, with immediate dispatch of replacement parts, because your firearm maintenance deserves nothing less than perfection. Number 3. Bucity Gun Cleaning Kit. Discover the pinnacle of gun cleaning innovation with our US patent design cleaning kit, a comprehensive solution covering all calibers. This single complete kit caters to both handguns and shotguns, showcasing a meticulously laid out interior with designated spaces for your cleaning oil and solvent. Designed for universal application, the kit features 3 rods for 22 to 270 caliber, total combined length 31.4 inches, and 3 rods for .30 caliber and up, suitable for shotguns and pistols. The 13-threaded bronze bore brushes span a range of calibers from .17 to 20 GA, ensuring versatility in your firearm maintenance. Quality takes center stage with solid brass construction for gun cleaning rods, jags, patch loops, and adapters, ensuring durability without compromise. Say goodbye to cheap plastic alternatives that may break within your firearm. The package details are extensive, including 13-threaded bronze bore brushes, 1 chamber brush, 9 threaded cotton mops, 11 brass gun jags, 4 brass patch holders, 2 empty bottles, 6 solid brass rods, 2 with handles, 3 nylon-coated flex cables, 100 cleaning patches, 2 metal gun cleaning picks, 2 brass adapters, and 3 plastic muzzle guards. Experience the best cleaning assistant with a portable, lightweight case that effortlessly organizes your accessories. Number 4. Bear Arms Tactical Universal Handgun Cleaning Kit. Presenting our superior cleaning solution, a robust kit designed for a diverse range of pistols, revolvers, and select SBRs. Ideal for hunters, law enforcement, gun range enthusiasts, and professional shooters, our kit ensures that all your firearms remain in optimal operating condition. The heart of this offering is our meticulously crafted case, constructed from high-quality plastic. Engineered with a hard case, sliding latch, and molded caliber labels for easy organization, this lightweight package keeps your cleaning supplies accessible, and tidy. Quality reigns supreme in every component of our kit. From nylon or brass jags, loops, and accessory adapters to high-grade brass cleaning rods, we prioritize the longevity of your firearms throughout the cleaning process. Rest assured, our commitment to quality comes at an outstanding price, saving you money for more crucial investments in ammunition and additional firearms. Embrace efficiency with our all-inclusive accessories, streamlining the cleaning and maintenance process for your pistols. Number 5. Allen Company Ruger Compact Handgun Cleaning Kit. Introducing our gun cleaning kit for handguns, a testament to professional-grade maintenance neatly packed in a durable toolbox for unparalleled portability. This comprehensive 15-piece set ensures your firearms operate at peak levels, providing everything you need in a compact and sturdy package. Within the toolbox, discover a brass cleaning rod with a handle, 5 bronze brushes, 2 brass slotted tips, and 5 cotton swabs, each meticulously selected for optimal cleaning efficiency. Caliber specifications cater to 38.357, 9mm, .40, and .45 calibers using the bronze brushes and cotton swabs, while the brass slotted tips accommodate .22 caliber and up, as well as .30 caliber, and up. The heavy-duty case is designed with precision, featuring a clear latching lid and a removable organization tray that unveils extra space for smaller cleaning accessories, such as cotton patches. Crafted by Allen Company, a brand sharing your passion for the great outdoors, this kit embodies unwavering dedication to superior hunting, shooting, and archery gear that seamlessly combines quality and value. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want greater information or in case you need to realize product price, do check out my description. For any type of hassle, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.